Hello students, today we will be seeing 2D transformation, reflection and shearing. Okay, first we will see reflection. Reflection is a transformation which produces a mirror image of an object. That object will be rotated by 180 degrees. There are four types of reflections. One is reflections about x-axis, about y-axis, about the origin and about line y equal to x. Now here we will see reflection about x-axis and y-axis with an example. See this diagram. This will be the original object and its mirror image is this. Similarly, in y-axis, this will be the original image and its reflection will be like this side. Okay. So let's consider an example. Given points are 2, 2, 4, 2 and 3, 4. So thereby we will be able to draw a triangle. Consider this formula x dash y dash h is equal to 1 0 0 0 minus 1 0 0 0 1 x y 1. This will be the formula and we need to substitute these values in this formula in order to get the new reflected area. Okay, so this will be the original figure. The 3 points are 2 2. This is the first point. 4 2 will be the second point and 3 4 will be the third point. So now we need to substitute these values in the formula in order to get x dash y dash. Okay, so we are substituting here, applying the given formula 2 2. So in this place x dash x y 1, in this place we are substituting 2 and 2. If we apply matrix multiplication, we will be getting 2 comma minus 2. Similarly for 4 2 we will be getting, after applying this, 4 comma minus 2, and for 3 comma 4 we will be getting 3 comma minus 4. So the new values will be 2 comma minus 2, 4 comma minus 2 and 3 comma minus 4. So now using these values we will be plotting this graph. After plotting we can see it's just a mirror image. Okay, that's all about x-axis reflection. Now we will be seeing about y-axis reflection. See here, let's consider the same points but the formula is being changing. Minus 1 0 0, 0 1 0 and 0 0 1. There is a change in the formula. Please note it down. So the original figure will be like this, same figure. After substituting these three values in the formula, we will be getting the values as this thing. So the new values will be minus 2 2, minus 4 2 and minus 3 4. So after reflection, y-axis reflection, the image will be like this, from this side to this side, y-axis reflection. Okay, now we will see the next thing, that is shearing. Shearing, it's a transformation which changes the shape of the object. So for example, consider this diagram. This will be the original object. If we shear in x direction, the image will be like this, and if we shear in y direction, the image will be like this, in this like this. And if we shear in both direction, both x and y, it will be like this. It will shear towards x as well as y direction. Now we will see this using an example. Shearing, another name is skewing. Okay, here we can perform two shear, x shear and y shear. Formula for x shear, x dash y dash, that will be the new value. In order to calculate the new value, we need to use the formula x plus shear x into y, y dash equal to y. Similarly, when performing y shear, x dash will be the same x and y dash equal to y plus shear y into x. This will be the formula. Slightly confusing, but please note it. Let's consider the given points 0 0, 0 2, 2 0, 2 2. So 4 points given. So so we need to plot 4 different points, and we need another parameter, that is shear x and shear y. So that also they have to give. Shear x is 2 units and shear y, y shear is 2 units they have given. So now we need to apply in the formula. First consider the first point 0 0. Apply here in this formula. X is 0 plus shear x is equal to 2 and simple y equal to 0. So 2 into 0 is 0. So default we are getting 0 0. Similarly for the next point 0 2. Applying the same formula we are getting 4 2 for 2 0 2 0 and 2 2 6 2. Similarly after finding these 4 new points we need to plot the new graph. It's actually it's a square. The original figure is a square, and after getting these 4 new points we get a parallelogram. Here square becomes parallelogram in X shear. Now see, let's see Y shear. In Y shear, apply the formula x dash equal to x and y dash equal to y plus shear y into x. So when substituting in this formula these 4 coordinates, we get the original we get the new coordinates as 0 0 0 2 2 0 and 2 6. So here we apply y shear. It's elongated in this y direction. Okay. So again a square has become into this shape. Okay. So it's all about shearing.